Why do 90% of buffaloes fight for dominance? It's more intense than you might think. In the heart of the savannah, two colossal buffaloes square off. Their eyes lock, muscles tense, and the air crackles with raw tension. This isn't just a fight, it's a showdown of epic proportions. Heads lowered, they charge. The sound of their horns clashing reverberates through the plains. Dust flies up in clouds, swirling around these mighty beasts. It's a test of strength, endurance, and sheer willpower. Every movement is calculated. Each push and shove is a battle strategy. The stakes? Dominance over the herd and the right to mate. It's nature's way of ensuring only the strongest genes survive. After minutes that feel like hours, one buffalo finally yields, retreating in defeat. The victor stands tall, a testament to the survival of the fittest. Wild buffaloes fighting for dominance. It's the ultimate display of power, resilience, and the untamed spirit of the wild. Stay wild, stay curious.